let's just go for a ride. No plan, no route, just wherever feels right. Running in the morning hits